In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reauthorize and verify your Instagram connection in Meta Business Suite. If your Instagram account is not syncing properly inside Meta Business Suite, or if certain publishing, messaging, or analytics features are not working the way they should, the issue is often related to the account connection. The good news is that this is usually quick to fix, and in this video, I'll walk you through the exact process in a simple and clear way. Start by opening Meta Business Suite, either on your desktop browser or in the mobile app, depending on where you normally manage your business assets. Once you're inside, go to the settings area. From there, look for the section related to assets or integrations. The wording can vary slightly depending on the version you're using, but you're looking for the place where connected accounts and business tools are managed. When you find your Instagram account in that section, the next step is to reauthorize or reconnect it. If you see an option to reconnect, reauthorize, or refresh permissions, select that option and follow the prompts on screen. This step is important because it renews the connection between Instagram and Meta Business Suite, which can resolve access issues caused by expired permissions or outdated account linking. As you go through that process, make sure you are signing into the correct Instagram account. If you manage multiple profiles, take an extra moment to confirm you are reconnecting the one that belongs to the business you want to manage. This helps prevent confusion later, especially if content is being published to the wrong destination. After that, verify that your Instagram account is fully converted to a business account. This matters because some Meta Business Suite features do not work properly with personal accounts. You'll also want to confirm that the Instagram account is linked to the correct Facebook page. That connection is essential for tools like scheduling, inbox access, ad support, and reporting to function correctly. If anything looks mismatched, double-check the linked page before moving on. A wrong page connection can cause ongoing problems even after reauthorization. Once you've completed those checks, your setup should be properly refreshed and aligned. This small maintenance step can make a big difference in keeping your Meta and Instagram tools working smoothly together.